The demand of clean and healthy water is continuously increasing with growth of population. In this condition, purification of water becomes very important. In this video, we will talk about purification of water. Purification of water means making a seepage, dirty and unhealthy water healthy, clean and potable. It has to undergo several purification procedures to make it potable. The first step is screening. Screening is the first step of purification of water. In this step, the floating matter of large size in the water is removed. Screening prevents the pumps and the equipments from the possible damage due to floating matter of sewage. Second one is aeration. The process of exposing large surface of water to the atmospheric air is called aeration. After screening, water is collected in a large aeration tank and aerated by bubbling compressed air through perforated pipes. This process removes volatile substances and gases like hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide, causing bad taste and odor. It increases the oxygen level in water and also removes the metal like iron, manganese by precipitating them as their respective hydroxide. After that, sedimentation is done. Aerated water is placed in the sedimentation tank and stored for 10 to 14 days. The process by which suspended particles settle down under the action of gravity is known as sedimentation. It removes suspended particles to reduce the sediment load before treatment by other processes. After that, coagulation is done. Coagulation is the chemical water treatment process used to remove solids from water by manipulating electrostatic charges of particles suspended in water. Now, the water from sedimentation tank is placed in coagulation tank, and then some precipitating agents such as alum, lime, etc. are added in water and mixed. These precipitating agents form precipitate of aluminum hydroxide when dissolved in water. Suspended solids are absorbed on the surface of precipitate. So gradually mass of precipitate becomes heavier and finally settle down. This technique is used to remove in very light suspended solids that do not settle by themselves during storage. The clean water above is transferred to a filtration tank with the help of a pump. Water in filtration tank has to pass through the levels of charcoal, pebbles and fine sand. There is a collection tank at the bottom of the filter bed to collect filtered water. This process removes approximately 99% of microorganisms and other impurities. And last process is disinfection. The application of chlorine to water for the purpose of disinfection is known as chlorination. Disinfection is mainly done by the chlorination process. Water in this tank, chlorine is mixed with water or bleaching powder. By doing this, harmful bacteria present in the water are destroyed and the water obtained thus becomes potable.